Mocha shivered in the cold, huddling in the back corner of her kennel at the animal shelter. She was an older, mixed-breed dog who had been surrounded by her owner, and she was frightened by the loud noises and unfamiliar surroundings. The shelter staff knew that older dogs like Mocha were less likely to be adopted, and they worried she may end up living out of the rest of her life in this concrete kennel. Change a Pet Life Day on January 24th aims to raise awareness about shelter pets in need of a home. While many people adopt puppies and kittens, older animals and those with medical or behavioral issues are often overlooked and left behind in shelters. Change a Pet Life Day encourages people to adopt one of these vulnerable pets and give them a second chance at happiness. A young couple, Michael and Anemia, came to the shelter on Change a Pet Life Day looking to adopt their first pet together. They noticed shy Mocha huddled in the back of her kennel and asked to meet her. When they took her into the get-acquainted area, Mocha came out of her shell, showering them with kisses. Although they had planned to adopt a younger dog, they connected with Mocha and decided they couldn't live without her. Mocha went home with Michael and Anemia that day. Her life forever changed thanks to their kind hearts. While it took Mocha a few days to adjust to her new home, she soon emerged from her shell and her sweet, playful personality blossomed. Mike and Anemia were amazed at the difference in her demeanor now that she was in a loving home environment. They knew they had made the right choice in giving Mocha a second chance. To honor Change a Pet's Life Day, animal shelters and rescue groups host adoption events, often waiving or reducing fees for older pets and those with medical needs. This makes it more affordable for people to adopt one of these vulnerable animals. Events also aim to raise funds for medical care and rehabilitation for shelter pets so they can become adoption ready. Change a Pet's Life Day highlights the profound difference that adopting animals in need can make. Shelter pets given a second chance at a loving home become devoted companions, enriching the lives of their owners in return. Mocha is a daily reminder to Michael and Anemia of the impact they made by following their hearts and changing her life. Each year, on January 24th, they give Mocha an extra treat and scratch behind her ears, silently thanking the shelter that brought them together and gave them the gift of her unconditional love. January 24 is Change a Pet's Life Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful Change a Pet's Life Day. Cheers!